A personal blender can be used to blend most things a full-size blender can. Plus, it can even function as a food processor in some instances like pulsing up a pesto or salsa. In today's video, we're going to check out the best personal blenders for smoothies of 2022. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker. If you prefer to have the option of both a smoothie and a smoothie bowl, then the Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a great pick. This personal blender's jar features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency. Perfect for a smoothie bowl. In our tests, this model tackled both green and berry smoothies with ease with very little residual seeds and super smooth results. This model also suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style water smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with two 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender. This hardworking machine does more than whirl smoothies. It also chops salsas, mixes batters, whips eggs, and grinds nuts for maximum versatility. Since the 11-piece set comes with an impressive array of extras, like 3 blender cups, one with a convenient handle, and multiple lids, you can make full use of all the functions without having to wash or transfer any chopped goods to other storage containers. One of the 3 blender cups holds 12 ounces and comes with a storage lid. Perfect if you want to make a small batch of hummus or ranch dip that will travel securely to work. While the bullet itself doesn't take up much countertop space, testers lamented the extra storage required for all of the accessories. Only the blender cups are dishwasher safe. Number 2. Beast Blender. The Beast Blender is a personal blender that lets you crush ice, blend small batches of dressings, sauces, and soups, and create 1 to 3 servings depending on vessel size of drinks like smoothies, shakes, and margaritas. To help with blending efficiency, the Beast Blender's ultra-thick Triton plastic vessels feature a 12-rib design. For comparison, most blenders have about 4 ribs within a blender jar. Did we mention this blender also looks like a piece of art on your countertop with its unique design? Number 1. Oster BLSTPB-WPK MyBlend 250-watt blender. When it comes to making single-serve smoothies and protein shakes, you can't beat the Oster MyBlend personal blender. Everything, fruit, ice, veggies, and more, can be blended directly in the sports bottle, so there are no extra dishes to wash. Despite a lower wattage in tests, the machine received a perfect score for grinding whole coffee beans and a great score for preparing a thick frozen margarita. Just don't expect the 250-watt machine to tackle tougher foods like hearty leafy greens.